friends and welcome. My name is Pilot009 and today I'm going to take off from the Frankfurt airport. Yeah guys, it's the biggest airport in the world. So I unlocked the new plane, Airbus A350. So beautiful plane, British Airways. So beautiful. Okay, let us start engines. Turn on the screens. Oh yeah. Parking brake off. Okay. Everything's okay. Flaps 25%. Okay. Push the plug on.
Contact departure 124.32. 2432 update. American 591, North departure radar contact.
Okay, that's enough for me. Turn. Just 10%. Okay, let's go. So we will take off from the runway 24C. Very long runway. Oh my god, look at that. Airbus 380. The biggest airport in the world. So huge. Yeah, it has a second floor. Yeah, now I'm saving money to buy this plane, to unlock this plane. I remember that it costs about 600 XP. Yeah, in this game.
Category scale is 5956 is 1,800, silent level 190. So 5956, North departure radar contact.
Again. Airbus 380.
395, North departure radar contact. 506, maintain flight level 190. 7,600 feet in the winter. Archer 312, North South Track. Part of the Mexico County. Archer.
Oh my god, be careful, be careful. Oh my god. Oh. Thanks God.
Cruise 0 and maintain 190, that's 9, 6. Delta 2395, turn right, heading 010.
My favorite plane is Boeing 777-300ER, yeah. And second, my favorite plane is Airbus A350, yeah, this plane. It's a beautiful plane, and I like it very much. And beside my favorite plane is Boeing 737 Max. Yeah, it's a great plane too. What's your favorite plane right now? Oh my god, I see the runway. Oh, so long.
Delta 2395, get ready to climb through 7,000 and then you have to maintain 16,000. 2,000, maintain 16,000. Delta 2395. And 994, not got a departure radar contact. Delta 2395, thanks for the good climb. Turn right heading 010, proceed direct Orca. I was 5956. Southwest 4590, climb maintain, flight level 190, turn right heading 350, sector Cortana. Next, clear to flight level 190, turn right heading 350.
So important and exciting moments for me, of course, when I when I will take off or will land after a few seconds. Yeah, so exciting for me. Yeah, in the future I want to be a pilot. Yeah. It's my target. I want to be a pilot as Dennis pilot, yeah. He's from Ukraine and he also have a YouTube channel, yeah, pilot blog. So great pilot. Okay, so we are on the runway 24C. We are ready to take off. Trust 100%, then let's go. We won. Rotate. Gear up. Ooh, flying. It's a beautiful plane.